couple more desktop publishing type features, one of them being drop cap and the other being borders and shading. Now here's an example of a drop cap. That's the effect right there. Now you accomplish that same effect by simply finding the word which you wish to affect. So here, if I wanted to do Voyager in Voyager Travel, again, you would determine where this goes. So here we've got a situation where that would probably be some kind of a heading. And then we have another heading here with new agent. And then we want to start our paragraph off with a drop cap. So put your insertion point there, and then I'd go to insert, and you simply come to your drop cap menu here and ask for dropped. And here I didn't even click yet, it's just giving me a preview of what it would look like, and that's exactly the one that I'm going to use. So you can use that one there, and then you may have the same effect somewhere else. Again, it's one of those make it then make it pretty things where you're going to format your document after you've typed it in, and you're going to know where you think this should go. Now here, if you want another one here, you would simply put your insertion point there and then add a drop cap. So that's that simple. Borders and shading. Again, we're looking at something that you can get right from the Home tab, and it's right in here in your paragraph settings. So this is your borders button where you could affect all kinds of paragraphs, the whole page. Rather than mess with these individual settings, I'm going to go right to the main borders and shading button. And from here, I can ask for a page border and put a border around the entire page quickly and easily. And then choose OK. And there's a border around that page. You've also got some neat little options here for page border where they have some predetermined art styles that you can use. So depending on the theme of your document, one of these might work very nicely. So the list is it's not bad as far as how many choices you've got to choose from. Different themes. Okay, so you can say OK. So now you've got a neat little border right around your entire page. So that's one type of border. Another type of border you can affect is just here we've got one little paragraph here. Part of it's on the left, part of it's on the right because of a right tab. You can choose just regular lines for this. So I'm going to go back to the borders and shading, and for border here, I have all kinds of styles to choose from. So I can find a style that I like, such as this one. I can put it all around the paragraph, or I can even choose, you know what, I only want it on the top and the bottom, and then I can hit OK. So now I've got that border only at the top and the bottom of that paragraph. I can choose a couple of different paragraphs. So here I'm choosing some text. So I've got 2 paragraphs worth of text. So I can come back here to borders and shading, and I can ask for different types of borders. And I can also shade that area if I wanted to. So I can shade it with a different color. And then hit OK. So now I've not only got a border around that selected area, but I've got some shading as well. And you, of course, would determine the areas where you would want to do that kind of thing. So drop caps, borders, shading, allowing you to do even more of what we call desktop publishing, taking a plain document and making it look quite a bit better.